Hey folks, Alpaglisi Trains. What better thing to do on a 100-degree day in Maryland, it's hot as hell, than to have some waterfall madness to cool down. Let me show you some waterfalls on Howard Zane's layout. Well folks, if you watch my channel, you've seen we've filmed many times this layout and shown you these spectacular waterfalls. But since it's so damn hot today, I thought we'd cool down with some nice waterfalls. So if you haven't watched my channel, and this is the first time you're seeing this, go to Alpaglisi Trains, click on watch the videos, Howard Zane's layout, and subscribe. We'll do some waterfall madness to cool down. And speak of the devil, let's watch a Y6 cross over this waterfall scene. Special treat. Amy John Falls. Well, let's cool down and look at some more waterfalls. Well, we got the back view of these falls. Let me show you an aerial view of the back end of these falls. And again, we've had this on the channel before. This is for you folks that might never have seen these waterfalls. That's why I called it Waterfall Madness on this hot day. To speak of the devil, we'll watch the Y6, weathered by Bill Garvin, friend of the channel, owned by Alex. And it's going to run over the falls, over the bridge back here. Let's check it out. Look at that. How's that for a waterfall scene? Well, folks, this is Hes Falls on the channel. This is another waterfall on Howard Zane's beautiful layout, and it just falls right down to the floor here. There's some pretty naked girls swimming at the bottom. We've had episodes before on the pretty gals, but today I'm concentrating on the falls since it's a terribly hot day. And here comes the Y6. We'll catch her coming across the falls. Let's go see where she is. Here she comes. We'll wait here at Aunt Sarah's house. It's a Don Reed structure. Microscale models discontinued. And then I'll take you back over to the falls and we'll watch this Y6 glide over. There's an interesting water drainage spigot that goes down and spills down into a creek, which spills down and exits off the scenery. And this is Maisey Falls. Again, it's been featured many times on the channel. This was named after one of Tommy Gilbert's wives, Maisey Falls. It's a spectacular scene. Let's concentrate on the waterfall since that's what this video is today. As she goes down, as she goes down. It's just one of the most breathtaking views on the layout. And you can see how it shoots. Absolutely beautiful. And falls almost all the way down to the floor. Couldn't help myself, folks. Let's watch the Y6 heading toward Maisey Falls. Such a large scene, these falls. I've got to get back. Well, this isn't a falls, but this is Lickin Creek. Not licking, lickin. And Howard's use of the water with the Envirotex is breathtaking. And on a prior Alan Keller DVD, which I do not sell, Howard goes into a little bit of explanation on how he did the water effects on these. And here we go again. Speak of the devil, man, Mr. Y6. And this was actually not planned. But this is such a great opportunity to catch it coming across this body of water. Wow, what a... Well, folks, I'm going to end this video in the town of Mac, and these are little waterfalls. I guess maybe not count as a waterfall, but you snake it around, and as far as I'm concerned, this is a waterfall. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. We need subscribers to grow the channel on YouTube. It doesn't cost anything, and it greatly helps us. And to see more of this incredible model railroad, check out Al Puglisi Trains. Thanks so much for watching.